Here I modify the code as you said.
Okay.
Here and here.
Okay.
And here I changed if no is there, I change like yes.
All the row 2.
Yes.
Only row 2, right?
Yes, only row 2.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
One more thing. Mail. Okay. Not mail. Here that is symbolic, like not a symbolic, special characters.
Okay. Why is the orange? I think some arguments are missing.
Yes, I will check. Uh, okay. Here I've written here special characters. I will check this red mark why it is get. I will check and update you. Remaining all things is fine.
And what about success mail? Have you used that Boolean variable? By
Boolean.
sending the mail.
This is you are asking.
Yeah, you have not used variable. Like if helper used, okay, you have used it. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So, share me the output also. Means I want to check 2 things. One, I want to check whether special characters are removed or not.
Okay.
And second, I want to check in helper config file, what is the value of run? Is it yes or no? These 2 things I want to check. So, is it working now? Your code is working? I think
Special.
we have issue here in removing the characters. Some arguments are missing, I think. Right? That's why it was in red.
Yes.
That you need to check.
I will check.
Check it, and once it's working, run your bot and share me the output file. Okay? And config file.
Okay. Here I am not written anything. I will given only if yes, if no is there.
Yeah,
I will.
it will work.
No need to write any code now for this.
No, nothing.
Okay. 3 is completed. 3 task is. Remaining one is I wanted to get clarification that. Okay. All is fine, no?
Yeah, everything is fine.
Okay.
And do one thing, thought test, how will you do? Remove all the no appendix from all the offices from the to-do folder.
Okay.
And run the bot. And then check whether you are receiving mail or not.
Yesterday you told me, no, you have to run the code. You have to record that screen
Yeah,
record. I recorded that one. Three to five times your login page is open, but like this, from here to nothing is going front.
So you have to change this. Create one separate login page for MSH
For this.
for UAT. Yeah, for UAT.
Mm-hmm.
Then check. Whatever changes you have made, I think you have already made login page, right?
Yes, yes.
So apply that here, separately create one page
Mm.
and don't delete the previous page because in Broad we have to use old page. So don't delete that. Only for UAT, use a new login page and then try to record it again.
Mm-hmm.
So wherever you are getting the issue, you have to fix that.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Regarding task is regarding that three task is anything like
You have to show this to them. So first of all,
anything
fix
is
your
mistake in
document.
that.
Sorry? Yeah, you are
Yeah.
saying something?
Yeah. Anything I had made mistake.
No, I don't think so. What you do, just check your argument where it is missing.
Okay.
Then apply on your login page and don't remove the old login. Use new login for UAT. After login, fix if there is any, because I think after login also there is only one page which you have to fix, like during the search of risk. Okay. These two things you have to fix, and after that you have to run your bot.
Okay.
And before recording, just check first whether it's working or not.
Okay.
If it's working, then record it. And then share me the output file and config file.
Okay.
Okay, only this you have to. Till then, everything looks fine to me.
Mm.
Should work, but they will check in UAT as well. So you have to make changes based on this UAT, because in UAT they have used Edge browser. You have
Yes.
to make that change here for the login.
Yeah, I will change this login, and also we'll check these arguments why it is getting error like red mark.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, Madhuri.
Okay, Sandeep.
Thank you.